My name is Cadie Critchfield. I'm the daughter of Carolyn Critchfield, and today I'm doing a video chat for my mom. Right here, we have the adorable triple zip pouch. It's adorable. I'm actually currently using this one, and the reason why it's called the triple pouch is because it has 3 whole zippers. Number 1, there might be stuff in it. I didn't take anything out. Yep, there's mine. Okay, skip that pouch. Okay, zipper number 2. Middle. It's empty, but this one, I'm kind of jealous because my mom decided that she was going to make it better because mine doesn't have pockets. She added pockets to hers and left it out in mine. I didn't find out until today. She has a zipper pocket and another pocket. Really, Mom? I'm just kind of jealous. Over here we have our pretty box pouch. It's a free pattern as well as these 2. My mom likes to use thread with it because she has tons and tons of thread. You should literally see it. You should see her big cabinet full of thread. It's pretty big in size. I'd say most of the pouches that she's made are this size. And she can fit tons of thread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And some of these are pretty big threads. And right here, we have our pop-up pouch. It's adorable. It's the perfect size for maybe the big one for school supplies or for clips. And so that's mostly what we have today. My favorite has to be this one. I just love the pink in it, and it's so awesome. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to channel So Can She to learn about more awesome patterns about this. See ya!